Now this time you'll need your fan brush, and we're going to mix up some dark colors to make some nice trees. We're going to use our ultramarine blue, some red, some brown, burnt umber, and more ultramarine brown and yellow ochre, and more ultramarine blue because we want it to be nice and dark. Alright, I think that's good. We'll find out. So all you have to do is find a place for your trees. So we'll put some trees right here. Just tap, 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 tap. As long as you get your tops. We'll come down about here, I think. Get a top. So if it bends to the side too much, then just flip your brush around. Now see, that doesn't look too bad. Isn't that cool? Now you can also use a fan brush. I'll show you a couple of different ways you can do this. I've used this in my other video. I can leave a link to my other video if you like. So I'm just picking up some of the blue and white again. And I'm going to go to the top of here, and I'm just going to pull down and see how the fan brush leaves holes for you. Just leaves the holes for you. You can go back over what you did down here. Alright, so, but you can see the fan brush, I like the fan brush best, but I want to show you different ones. They still leave holes. Now what you can do next is take your fan brush and use the same color that you use for your sky. Just go into there and add some white to it to lighten it up, because now we're going to do some background trees. So the background trees are those there in the back. So what you'll have to do there is just take your fan brush and hold it so that it's vertical, and then start tapping. So you tap, 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 and just get your tops first. Get a top, and when you get your tops, leave those, but you can fill in the bottom part of the trees. And just tap along down here so we get some nice, get different heights. So let's lighten up these big trees back here, the ones that are closer to us. These are the further away ones. And these over here that we tapped on some black to get some tree shapes back here. Let's lighten them up so you can see them and see the shapes. So take your fan brush again, and this time with the dark paint that you use for your underpainting for the snow, mix that up and add some white. Okay, So just get some white and mix that in just to brighten it up a bit more. On your fan brush, I'm using a fairly big fan brush, as you can see, and it's got bristles on it. So I'm just going to go back over those trees again, just so that they will stand out. See, there we go. Get your tops. Just tap, 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 tap. Get some more paint. Get your top. Brush. And I'm going to put some white paint on it. It's just some paint. And I'm going to make a little water line here. So on the edge where that green and brown beach meets, we're going to make a line, a little water line. So we're just going to drag over some water. There we go. So that's just a little, it's where the water is coming up on the beach. Okay, so we'll just do that. Here we go. Take your fan brush and rub it through black. Pull it through the black. And you're going to use those lines to help you. So you're just going to take your line and put the fan brush on there and pull out. Just go over the line. Don't worry about the palms yet. And it's okay for them to be like that. So just pull out your lines first. Okay. So get some more paint if you need it. And then we'll do another one. There we go. And we'll do another one. So just go over those lines that you already have drawn. So that's the start of your palm tree, okay? Now the next thing you're going to do is you are going to take your fan brush and you're going to pull out these nice little, just pull, 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 push, 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 push. And do the other side. So you do both sides. Okay. All right, so you take your brush and you pull, 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 pull. Look at all those nice highlights coming out. It goes right over all that strands of hair. It's better than trying to do it with a little tiny brush. Your very first step to your waterfall painting is to get your fan brush and put it in blue paint. And then you pick a spot where you're going to have your waterfall. So you're going to touch, over, and down. See? That's simple. Reload if you have to. Touch, over, and down. Isn't that pretty? So this is your very first step, is to get your first shadow color on. All I want to do now to show you is to get your fan brush and add some white to your fan brush with a little bit of blue. I always like that a little bit. I like to tone it down a little bit because too much white just stands out too much and doesn't look natural. I use that for highlights. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your brush and go underneath these rocks. Make a few little waves coming out from the rocks. There we go, like that. Just like that. Take your fan brush and gently roll some of this water out. Dot it there, like had a little bit of a sunshine or something there, just for a bit of fun. So I'm going to call that finished, and I hope you liked it, and I hope it helped, and I'll be doing another video soon.